welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and I am back at it again. See what's going on, guys. So my wife is sending me go supermarket. Yeah, she loves sending me go to supermarket. So we're gonna go in there, see if I can get everything that is on her list. Come on, guys, let's go shopping. Let's see if I can make my wife happy with me shopping for her and getting all the stuff that she needs. Yeah, guys, so we just reached the supermarket. So guys, right here I am picking up some apples from Max. He loves apple, guys. He loves to have an apple before he go to school. So I'm picking up some for him. Yeah, nice and juicy. Yeah. Getting some tomatoes. 99 cents a pound. So guys, right here I am about to get some pears. At ShopRite they carry like 4 varieties, so I am getting a few of them to take home, looking at them, inspecting them properly before I take them home, or my wife is gonna be super upset when I reach home and they are bruised and battered and tattered, and I don't want her to stone me out of the house with them. So I'm making sure I do my diligent best in getting the best ones. Yeah, that's how we do it. Yeah, but apart from that, guys, when my wife send me shopping, she will give me her card. Yes, I know that may sound strange to some of you when you hear me say my wife give me her credit card or her debit card to go shopping. Yes, she does, and it doesn't bother her because she can trust me like that. It's not about, oh, you're the man, you're going out, you spend your money. No, she doesn't do it like that, and I don't think it should be like that. We within a relationship, it's a oneness where, it's not one party do this, one party do that. It's where we all work together and get the thing done. And my wife feel comfortable giving me her car to go shopping. Maxi love banana. Right here, guys, I am getting some plantains, and these are the best I've seen so far. Normally they are water treated and they are burned, and I don't like those because they don't taste good when you fry them. Yeah, nice, lovely. 79 cents for one, guys, at ShopRite. Beautiful. And right here I am getting some green bananas to cook with some liver. So guys, right here, yeah, wait for it. Yeah, why taking you so long, man? Right here, this bag of carrot is going in the barrel to go to Jamaica. Believe me, no joke about it.
Giant love salad. I don't care what
and
kind
I
of
was
salad.
like, what is the problem with that?
So right here, guys, I am picking up some ginger to use to season or to marinate some chicken. The other day I was getting Max off the bus, and his head, I guess because the garage door was open, and she said she smelled something nice. So I told her I'm cooking some chicken. So she said, oh, that smells so good, can you cook some for me? So I said, no problem. So I'm picking up some chicken. I'm going to marinate it overnight, and I'm going to prepare it so that when she drop Max off in the evening, I'm going to give it to her with some basmati rice, cooking coconut milk and thyme. That's it. It's looking right there. Yeah. Get some onion, guys. Can you do this? That mixed bag with the purple and the regular onions. Or you can get the sweet ones. Yellow onions. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. $1.99. I think I'm gonna do 2. This guy right here. See this, guys? What they call this? Liquid death. What a name to give a beverage. Liquid death. Rest in peace. Wow, that's crazy. Whee! So right here, guys, I'm picking up some chicken legs and some thigh. Price not bad at all. Yeah, those are some decent sizes. So some of them I will be marinating them and put them in the oven and getting them ready, so that when that lady drop off Max in the evening, she will have a nice foil container full of chicken. And right there is some chicken liver that I will be cooking with my bananas and probably piece of yam. Yeah, nice. Guys, look at this. I pick up some chicken foot also, be making some soup. Yeah, love it. Beautiful shopping experience. Yeah. Hey sis, how you doing?
Great.
Yo, I don't see you long time, man. You on
Yeah, what's
vacation?
up?
You alright?
Okay,
Oh my god. When was the last year you got
I was
Jamaica?
in Jamaica last year.
Yeah?
Yeah, last year my aunt passed away, my mother, sister passed away. So,
You planning to go down this year?
no, sir. Not
You
yet.
serious?
Yeah, we have to look for. I tried to get home.
What kind of, how will you get it? You get the canola or you get the vegetable?
What I'm getting when they look.
Yeah man, you have to look man. See?
When they look.
Yeah. You alright?
Yeah, man.
Oh, nice to see you, man.
What
Nice
do
to
you
see
need,
you.
man?
Otherwise, send me come supermarket, so.
Okay,
Yeah. Take it easy, sis. Alright. Yeah, guys, so the wife sent me supermarket shopping. She like to send me shopping because she say always on point with what needs to be picked up for the house. So yeah. So guys, being a content creator, when you go shopping, especially in a supermarket, you have to contend with music. So that is why I am doing a voiceover, trying not to get copyright. Yeah. But anyway, apart from that, ShopRite, yeah, is having a can sale. So right here I am picking up some tuna. I am looking for the specific one that is on the flyer. If I don't pick up the one that they have in the flyer, I will be paying more than the price that is displayed on the coupon. So my wife said that she want albacore solid white, that is it right there, but they only had the one in water, there was none in oil. So she told me just to get the one in water. Albacore is a good quality, it's not as raw as a regular tuna.
Are you looking for ones that are on sale?
Yes, this
I
is the,
think it's back there,
yeah,
right?
yeah, this is it. Oh, you need any?
Yeah, I do.
How
How
many?
much my lab account? Oh, I think it's right?
Yeah, I think it's a limit one. Yeah, it's right here, limit
Okay.
one. Your one is good?
Yeah, just says regular. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you very
No
much.
problem, no
Appreciate
problem,
it.
no problem. Mayonnaise, guys. $2.99, cheapest I've seen so far. Put the oil in here. Put the oil in here. Baco, 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 baco. Got to get me some hot dogs right here. Guys, right here, I am getting some Nathan hot dogs. They are not from pork or by product meats. They are beef, and it's a good quality. Enough of my viewers probably don't eat hot dogs. There it is right there, good quality. So what I do, I will buy Busher's baked beans. If any of you are acquainted with Busher's baked beans, I will cut up the sausage, I will like cook them, then fry them, and then add them to the Busher's baked bean, and then spread them over some nice white rice. Yes. Hot dog! So guys, right here I am getting some seasoned potatoes. Yeah, it goes well with Nathan's hot dog. Well, you can use any hot dogs you want, but I preferably use it with Nathan hot dogs. It's very nice. Yeah, seasoned potatoes. Yeah, and the hot dogs, you know, add to the flavor. And I will eat that with some nice scrambled eggs and probably some toast. Yep. So guys, right here I am getting some eggs, preferably cage-free brown eggs. That is the one that my wife told me to pick up. And right here I am making sure that I open the carton and or the tray and making sure they are okay. There's no crack one in there. Yeah, make sure you do that, guys. Yeah, guys, today I saw a dozen and a half eggs for $14. 14 US dollars for a dozen and a half eggs. I can't believe it. 14 US dollars, guys. Unbelievable. Guys, right here, I will be picking up some orange juice. Guys, orange juice is through the roof right now. Normally I would buy Florida Natural, but Florida Natural is like $5 for a carton. And guess what, guys? Florida Natural has cut down on the size of the carton. Now you're paying more for less when you come on to Florida Natural. Disgrace on you, Florida Natural. So guys, I am now going with Minute Maid. They were on sale for $2.50, so I got two. Max love is orange juice. Yeah, unbelievable, guys. Guys, right here I will be picking up some yogurt, preferably the banana brand, because Max love that flavor very much. And yes, guys, they are on sale. Yeah, can sale at ShopRite. Yeah, so originally they were for 90 cents. Now you can get one for 69 cents. Normally you will get like 12 for $5, but they don't do that no more. Yeah, Yogurt, guys, even that is going through the roof, guys. I'm telling you. This is the only black and silver. So right here, guys, I'm getting some Cracker Barrel cheese. They were the only block of cheese on sale for $1.99. Yeah, even cheaper than the store brand, ShopRite brand, which is $3. So yeah, I love the sharp cheddar and be getting 2 of them to eat with my grapes. Beautiful, nice.
I can't talk, so I'm being very raw.
I know, I can see that. How are you?
Oh, maybe it would be area food. You need to leave out.
So you probably, it's probably,
Like 3 cases of water underneath the car.
you can leave them right there.
Oh, okay. As I said earlier on, guys, my life love it when I go supermarket shopping. She know that I will get the job done, and she regularly give me her debit card or her credit card to take with me. And you know, she don't see it as nothing. You know, some people probably gonna say, yo, the woman shouldn't give you her car to go supermarket, or the woman shouldn't give you money to go shopping. Yeah, but that is how some women are. They trust their husband to do that, and they don't have a problem giving them money to go shopping. So while I was unpacking the items in the truck, guys, I remember that I didn't pick up the meatballs, so I will have to go back in there and pick it up in a few minutes. But yeah, apart from that, I got everything and some that was on the list. Myself a meatball. Guys, I came back in to pick up the meatballs. Yeah, and they were on sale, guys. They were on sale. Not bad at all. Yeah. Goes well with marinara sauce and spaghetti. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, so it was a wonderful shopping experience. So thanks for tuning into the channel one more time, guys. You have yourself a blessed one. See you on the next video. Bye bye.